If you're craving a juicy, beefy cheeseburger but want something a lot more flavorful and elevated, these Middle Eastern beef puff and cheese patties are going to be the best thing you've ever had. The best part is it's super simple to make. It takes less than an hour and they're so satisfying and so delicious. Let me show you how to make this ooey gooey cheesy goodness. Let's get started. So to an oiled hot skillet, you're going to want to saute 1 pound of lean ground beef. Make sure you saute it until it's nicely browned. I know someone's going to ask, can I use ground chicken or ground turkey? Yeah, you absolutely can. Nothing's stopping you, but then it wouldn't be a beef patty anymore. So I prefer beef. So to drain out the water, one hack that I learned is putting a paper towel while you tilt the pan towards the paper towel so it helps soak up all that extra grease that you do not need in this recipe. Next thing you're going to want to do is add in some vegetables. I added in 1 cup of frozen vegetables as well as a 1/4 cup of beans, and give that a nice toss to mix everything and incorporate it nicely. Next, we're going to go ahead and season the beef and vegetables. These are the seasonings that I used and I love. But sometimes I do get lazy and I just use a bag or 2 of taco seasoning and it tastes just as delicious, so do what you wish with that information. A small tip to not overcook your meat is turn the heat all the way on low after your meat's been browned. This way you're still cooking but not cooking it too much. To make this easy, I'm using store-bought puff pastry. If you prefer to make it, that's totally cool. Check out the link in my description box for my homemade puff pastry recipe. And then you're going to want to slice up some cheese, get your meat that we just cooked earlier, and 1 egg for egg wash. Because my puff pastry is super thick, I decided to roll it out just a little, but this step is not mandatory at all. So make sure you're using a little square, and then add your beef and vegetable right on top, as well as your slice of cheese. Use whatever cheese you want, just make sure it's a good high quality cheese. And then you're going to want to fold it into a triangle, and I'm going to show you how I crimp the edges here. You want to make sure you crimp it really well because the last thing you want is for it to bust open in the oven and then everything's out of it. Now brush both sides of the pastry with some egg wash and be prepared to throw it into the oven. Make sure it's on some parchment paper so it doesn't stick. Throw it in your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. And there you go. It's that freaking simple, guys. It barely took any time. So delicious, so cheesy, so gooey. I'm just gonna let you watch me crack into a few. I even decided to use cream cheese because I ran out of sliced cheese, and the cream cheese ones turned out even more delicious. These are so flaky, buttery, crispy, and amazing. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you do. I am pretty new to YouTube, so I really hope you guys are enjoying my content. Don't forget to subscribe to my TikTok and Insta as well. We do wonderful, easy recipes, we do travel vlogs, and we even talk about self-love. All the great things. Thank you so much, guys. Take care and love you.